Alright, so if you guys have enjoyed the last videos of the cinematic videos of the models, then today is gonna be awesome because I'm gonna show you a little bit how to create those, how to shoot really nice videos so that every model will really want to shoot with you again. So we're actually at the Vagabond Vacations workshop here. Got some models there in the pool. So let's show you guys how to create some nice cinematic video of that.
Let's just take a ride along the bay. We don't need to work, we can sit around and play. I've been waiting for so long to get away.
Very important things is to not have your own shadow in it, especially if it's very sunny like now. I'll show you a little clip of me which illustrates the fact that you really got to be careful that you don't have your own shadow in the shot. It always looks a bit weird.
Baby, don't hold back, all you gotta do is say, what would you like to be satisfied with me?
Another thing that's really going to elevate your video is having some foreground elements. It gives a bit more depth to the image. Now the key here with this shot is it was very tricky to have the focus good. So what I did is I focused on the model just with the autofocus, then I turned off the autofocus so it's manual, it's not gonna move anymore, and then you can just freely move with the leaves in front of your camera without that your focus will start hunting, and that's how you get an awesome shot like that.
I've been catching signs from above. All I wanna do is satisfy you. Baby, all you want is to be satisfied with me.
Then another thing that's really gonna make it so much better, so much more dynamic, have so much more emotion in it, is to just have the models actually move and follow them along. So they're moving. Obviously this is gonna be way better on a gimbal. Have the model move, have her walk naturally, just let her flow, and you follow her around with the gimbal and create some nice movement around her.
Baby, drinking champagne on the beach of Malibu, cruising down the boulevard, kissing in the backseat of the car, making love under the stars. What would you like to be satisfied with me?
If you can use different focal lengths, that's really gonna create a different look to it, and when you edit it, you will have more variety in the shots.
I've been counting moments of love. I've been catching signs from above. All I wanna do is satisfy you.
I think everyone's really excited actually. All the photographers are really happy because these are super unique shots. One, so many models, you know, you don't have these group shots often. This location is absolutely crazy. The light now there is absolutely stunning. So yeah, everybody's just clicking away.
I've been catching signs from above. All I wanna do is satisfy you. Baby, all you want is to be satisfied with me.
JC's on the floor, you know. As I said, sometimes you have to get in an uncomfortable position to get the best shot.
Satisfied with me. To be satisfied with me.
I think you just saw some awesome cinematics of our amazing models that we have here. Anna, Nicole and Alice, they're both friends and they're actually doing an awesome job, obviously, modeling together. So yeah, enjoy some cinematics, enjoy some photos. So we're going to the pier now, which is gonna be really, it's kind of like some sightseeing thing here. Yeah, she's gonna translate what I'm saying.
No more sunny days, no more sunny days.
We're in town. A little bit more people than expected, so we'll maybe have to be a little bit careful with the nudity. Let's not get kicked out of the town.
Everything is twofold. What's joy is pain on the other hand. And what happens when the one that you love is the main cause of your suffering?
Left harder. Okay.
I need you like I need air to breathe. I need you to save me from me.
How are you enjoying it so far?
What's up? I'm loving life. Amazing people, amazing vibe. I mean, it doesn't get better than this.
Vibes wouldn't be the same without you.
Exactly, and likewise. And this is the man right here. This is the team right here. So shout out to Vagabond Vacations.
Vagabonds.
This is it right here.
Thank
Yeah.
you, brother.
Yes.
Really
yes,
appreciate it,
Yes. How you doing, cameraman?
I'm good. I'm,
How you
Shout out,
doing?
Adi.
Watch your step. Watch your
I'm
step.
walking backwards at the moment, but we're all good.
I'm caught in your wave, I'm drifting away. I need you to save me. Please don't let me drown. Please don't let me drown. Please don't let me drown. Please don't let me drown.
So that was the end of a very successful start of our workshop week in Puerto Vallarta. I think everybody was super satisfied. We had some amazing shots with an amazing view. So I'm very tired now after a whole day of shooting. Gonna take a little nap. See you guys on the next spot.
Love it how you love me electric, like you do. Love it how you love me electric, always you. Love it how you love me electric, electric. I love it how you love me a lot, love me a lot, love me electric. Baby, keep the light on for me, I'm coming home. Know I got you forever wherever I go. I feel like I'm high. Oh, and I wouldn't change the way you got me jumping through hoops. All the wishes in the world and I wish for you. I feel like I'm